I'm Anita from beandesigns.com. I'm all about helping you by providing the tools to create awesome digital scrapbook layouts using GIMP. This video is going to provide the steps in creating another awesome title, a title within a title. Here is a sample of how I used it in a recent layout. We'll start with a new image where I have already brought in the letters and the accent sticker from a digital kit. The kit information can be found in the description box of this video. Use the Move tool and place these letters side by side and exactly how I want them. Then I'm going to go to the layer palette, right click and merge down so that I can merge the 4 letters to be on one layer. As I'm doing this, you can see the yellow box outlining this selection and it grows. You can hide the layer to make sure that you have all of them on the same layer. Move my sticker into place. Now we're going to work on the title that's going to go inside the main title. Going to use the text tool, choose I Love Glitter for the font, make it 125 pixels, and use the eyedropper to choose the color of the font. Then I'm going to type the 3 names. Inside this font, some characters are provided that are not easily accessible. So I use a font manager main type. The link to get this will be located in the description box. You find your font in the list, find your character, copy it to your clipboard, return to GIMP, and paste it into your text box. When you're finished, you can use your Move tool to move this line of text onto your letters and place it where you want it to be. Then you'll go to the text layer and right click, choose Alpha to Selection. I'm going to grow this selection. It's good to select grow by 15 pixels. Okay. Return to the letter layer and delete that section from the layer and then select none. Now you have your title within your title. Let's add one more part to our title collage. Go back to our text tool. We're going to choose the Edwardian Script at a size of 300 pixels. We're going to leave it the pink color and we're going to type loves. So we have BB loves Jacob, Ava, and Rose with our heart sticker at the background of our collage. It's a beautiful title collage here. And here it is in the layout where I used this collage. If you enjoyed this tutorial, check out the others on my channel and subscribe, as there will be more to come. Keep documenting your memories. Bye-bye for now.